Hello everyone, in this exercise of SolidWorks, I will create this Coca-Cola cap in SolidWorks. Actually, this is the third angle projection drawing of this cap. This is the top portion, isometric view, and this is the bottom portion. This is the hollow part. There are three views. This is the top view, front view, and this is the bottom view. And this is the detail view. Actually, there are the two dias, 40 and 37. 37 dia is at a distance of, from the bottom face at a distance of 5 mm. And top dia, that is equal to 35.5 mm. This top dia at a distance of 4 mm from this face. Total height is 9 mm. Okay, first I will create this part, this pattern I will make. This pattern I will make. This is there are the 21 number of patterns, and this arc is 5.98 is the length, and radius of this arc is 4 mm. So let's start. File, new, part, and this one. Okay. This is the SolidWorks user interface. This is the command manager. This is the menu bar. And this is the feature tree manager. This is the tab section, view head up tool, and this is the task pane. Okay, first I will create the cap, and then later on I will also add a logo on this. So I am taking top plane, sketch, and background I am taking plain white. Okay, and unit system is a millimeter gram second, and you can select any other system as per requirement. Okay, I am taking first out of this thing. I am taking fresh this top plane sketch and this top. Okay, now I am draw a right circle here. This one. This circle is 40 mm actually. This circle is 40 mm, bottom one. Okay, this is the 40 mm, and this sketch is fully defined. Now I am taking 3-point arc here. This one and this. First make a relation. This point shift, this point make relation horizontal. Okay. Now this distance and this distance, that is equal to 5.98. I am taking the arbitrary dimension 5.98. Okay, this is the 5.98, and radius is, this is the 4 mm as per drawing. Okay, this is the 4. This sketch is fully defined. Outer circle dia is 40 mm. This arc is distance, this points 5.9, and radius is the 4 mm. Okay, hit right button. Now sketch is fully defined. Now I am taking the pattern. This is the circular sketch pattern. Circular sketch pattern, center point, and number of pattern is 21 mm. 21 numbers. And antithesis to pattern, I am taking this one. Equal spacing, about 360 degree. They are the 21 patterns are located, but you will find the sketch is not fully defined. You go in the command manager. Here is the display, delete relation, and fully defined sketch. Calculate, the sketch is fully defined. You will find it in this way. Now, if you see, these are not, I have to trim, I will have to trim, but I will not trim this portion. You will see these patterns are not exactly matching here. You will see here. All the patterns are not exactly matching here. Okay, in order to avoid the trimming, what I will do, I will actually, there are the more than one close boundary. So first I will extrude this inner geometry. Later on I will cut with the extrude cut feature. Okay, in order to avoid the trimming of these things, you will find here. Okay, first I will make extrude inner geometry. How? Future, extrude boss base, and this portion, only this portion in selected contours. Okay, but this height I am taking only as small as possible, 0.1 mm only. This is the 0.1 mm. Direction is up, and this is the this one. Actually, in order to avoid the trimming, I have taken this. Later on, I will delete this thing. Now another dia, that is a future. First, I will create a plane here. This one, select this face, and this is 5 mm distance of above. This one. This is this one. Now select this plane, sketch, normal. Now dia of at this plane as per drawing is 37 mm only. 37 mm is 7, and this one. Okay, now out of the sketch, now select this surface. Okay, select this surface, sketch, and convert entity. Now inner geometry has been converted into a sketch. Now what I will do, exit sketch, future, loft workspace. Loft base space, this sketch is selected. Now select this upper one, this one. Now this is profile, this created. This profile is created here. Hide this plane. Okay, you will see this is. Now select this face. No, I am creating another plane. This one and this face. This face, this time at a distance of 4 mm. Okay, this plane is created. Now sketch, dry sketch, normal. What is this dimension is 35.5. This one, this, and 35.50. Okay, this one. Now out of the sketch. Now again same thing, lofted boss space. This sketch is automatically selected this face. This is selected. Okay, now hide this plane. Now this I have made this. Now if you see the drawing, I have made this portion complete. Bottom, this pattern I have made, and this is the fillet here. This fillet is 2 mm only. You will see this fillet is 2 mm here. Okay, now what I will make the fillet first, and later on this shell portion. This shell portion is how much? That is a 0.5 mm. You will see this one. You will see in the front view, this is the 0.5 mm shell portion, and thickness of this wall is 0.50. How I will make? With the help of shell feature, I will make this one, and radius fillet is 2 mm. Okay, now this fillet or this and 2 mm only. This is 2 mm fillet here, constant radius fillet, this one. Now shell feature, this shell feature, select this. No, first you will see I will have to cut this portion 0.5 mm. You will see this portion, this extra portion. How I will cut? Select this face, sketch, normal, make a dia bigger than this one, future, extrude cut. This cut 0.1 mm, which I have made extra portion. I will cut. How? This dimension is 0.10. This one. Now this is the clear face. Okay, you will see extra part which I had made, I have cut through extrude cut feature. Now I shell feature, this face, and this dimension is 0.50. This one, only this face, select this face. This one. This I have made, completely made this thing. Now apply the color here, this one, appearance. This color I have made, this one. Now this one. Now this portion I have complete. Now I will add that logo of this on this surface. How? Now how I will add the logo? For the logo you can go from here. This is the appearance section, right hand side. This is the task pane. You can go here and decal section. You can select logo and you select anything here. Suppose this, double click on this thing, browse file, you can add the logo here. Okay. And another way of adding the logo is select this in the future tree manager. This is the display manager. Select it and here is a decal, view decal. In the future tree manager, there is a display manager. Here is the decals, view decal. Select this one. Now here add decal. Any of the methods you can apply. Same window comes here. Browse. Our file is, I have downloaded one practice, this one. If all image file, this one, this, open. I have made this all image file, this one. If I say all, this file, I have downloaded this logo from this one. Okay. Select this and this one and select this face, this one. Now in the mapping position, you adjust the thing. There are the three options you will see here. Here you can face, I have already selected face, and you will see if you this one, if you add, but I am selecting this is 0, this one, and fixed aspect ratio. Fix up, I want to rotate it. How? Here you will see size orientation. There is the fixed aspect ratio, fit width to selection, fit height to selection. This is the width, and this is the angle. Angle I am selecting. Suppose 90 I am selecting. What you will see? This one. This is the 90. Angle you have to select. From here you can fit width to selection. Suppose you want to add width, you want to increase. Suppose this is the 40 mm. This one. This is completely covered. If you select 40.5, suppose for example 40.50, it is approximately covered the thing. Or you can select it 41, this one. You can, this is a fixed aspect ratio. If you increase this one, this automatically will increase. There is a relation between width and the height. If you uncheck it, you can set as per the width selection or height selection. I am taking fixed aspect ratio. Okay, 90 degree. Here you can rotate this text. Okay, image you can no mask, image mask file you can also select it, but I am not changing anything here. And mapping here. Here you can map the this logo. Okay, horizontally. Suppose you want to mirror horizontally, and this one, and vertically this one. No, I am taking as it is. Okay, you can change and change the position of the logo. Now hit the right button. This is the it. I have made this one. You will see I have completely made. I have completed all the things here. This one. Logo and bottom position I have made. Okay, these are the 40 and 37 mm, and if you and this is the detail portion. This is the 0.450 is the wall thickness here. Okay, I have completed all the things. In this way you can add the things. This is the part manager here. There are the two options, and you can also make the add the logo from here, decals, logos, and select this one. Double click on this and select the browse wherever you have located your logo and select it, and this you can apply the things. Okay, or I have applied from here display manager and go the decals, and here you can edit also here. Right click and add decal. Here you can more decal, you can edit it, or you can here add decal and this one. Edit decal. You can also edit the image also from here. Okay, in this way, I hope you would have enjoyed in my this exercise. You please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.